Hello and welcome to Secret Sparkling Superstar. I'm very excited because today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Licca doll and some of her accessories. They arrived to me today from Japan and I ordered them about a week ago from plazajapan.com. Licca dolls are made by Takara Tomy. I think I pronounced that correctly. I spent a total about of $95 for all 4 items, and that included shipping. You can get them at other places online, but I felt like doing the math that the best prices were there. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to start with. I think I'm going to start with the actual doll, and then I'll move on to the others. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. She's ready to go for her day. The next thing I got were little replacement earrings. Let's see what these are like. Look at the little strawberries, hearts, some roses. These are too cute. She has a variety of outfits. I just got one outfit today, and that is this outfit, which on other websites it was retailing for about $60. On Plaza Japan's website it was far less than that. Now I can't remember exactly. And the earring set, I forgot to mention, was about $10 on that website. And actually I think it was $8. I can't quite remember. Prices do change though. So now I'm going to open the cute little unicorn outfit. So last but certainly not least is the refrigerator set. I might give this set to my daughter. My daughter loves refrigerator sets of any kind for dolls. And I'm thinking of giving it to her, but I wanted to kind of see it first. So the box is amazing. Very, very colorful, very, very detailed. It is all in Japanese, as are the instructions, but they have picture instructions. I realized that you have to put the ice in first, and then you turn the refrigerator upside down while it's empty, and it comes into here. And that way, when you pull that tab, it all comes down. Oh my gosh, adorable. So it's in a beautiful little pink color. Oh my gosh, look at all these compartments in there. And the drawers. Oh, and there's some little foods, first little foods. Oh, more, oh my gosh, little eggs. She is gonna go cuckoo crazy for this. I think I might have to give it to her. I don't know, I don't want her to lose it. So it also has this insert in it, and I guess they're stickers. I'm not entirely sure what they're for. Oh, I guess there's some boxes that you have to put together and make. So I tried to glue it together with the glue stick, but unfortunately it didn't work. It's very slick paper that the milk carton is made of and the other stuff, so I'm going to try a drop of hot glue for it to stay, because otherwise it pops right open. So putting together all the little groceries was very fiddly. I didn't get to all of them because it was taking so long, but I kind of liked how it looked anyway because it wasn't so full. It is a beautiful refrigerator though, I have to say, one of the nicest ones I've seen for dolls. So that's all of the unboxing for now. I have to say this doll is very impressive, as are the accessories. It's so beautifully made, so colorful, so fun. It was something I would have loved as a kid and really, really love and appreciate as an adult. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it as I enjoyed it, and thank you so much. I got something for you, and I want you to see it and see if you like it.
Okay.
It's under the mermaid fish too. I opened it last night to shoot the video, and so you can see it. Just pull it out just straight up like that.
The refrigerator! Oh, refrigerator! This cupcake is adorable! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! It's a little can of peaches. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!